What if I told you? One person, no employees, no investors, no Silicon Valley connections, built a $10 million AI company completely alone? No office, no startup team, just a laptop, and an idea most people ignored. And the craziest part? He didn't start as a genius founder. He started as just another guy trying to survive. This is the story of how one person used artificial intelligence to replace an entire company. In 2022, the world changed overnight. AI tools exploded. Suddenly, machines could write, design, code, edit videos, answer customers, even build products. While big companies argued about AI risks, one developer saw something different. He realized AI wasn't just a tool, it was an employee. And if AI could act like employees, then maybe one person could run a company that normally required 50. So instead of building a startup team, he built AI systems. Traditional startups raise millions before making money. He did the opposite. No funding, no fancy pitch deck, no startup accelerator. Step 1, he looked for problems businesses hated dealing with. Customer support, content creation, marketing automation, data analysis. Tasks companies paid thousands every month to outsource. Then he built an AI tool that solved one painful problem extremely well. Not 10 features, just one powerful solution. He launched quietly. No big announcement. Just posting in online communities, niche forums, and Twitter. The first customer came in. Then another. Then 10 more. Here's where things get crazy. Instead of hiring staff, he built an AI workforce. AI handled customer support. AI wrote marketing emails. AI generated landing pages. AI analyzed user feedback. AI even helped improve the product itself. While traditional founders managed employees, he managed prompts and automation. One person, operating like a full startup. Revenue started growing fast. $1,000 per month, $10,000, $100,000, and he still had 0 employees. Most startups break when growth arrives. More customers usually mean more problems. Support tickets explode, operations collapse, founders burn out. But his company didn't slow down, because AI scaled instantly. More users didn't mean more hiring, it meant better automation. Within months, the business crossed 7 figures. Investors started reaching out. Tech media noticed. People kept asking the same question. How big is your team? His answer shocked everyone. It's just me. A company generating millions run by a single human. This story isn't really about one founder. It's about a new type of entrepreneur. For the first time in history, you don't need a huge company to build a huge business. AI removed the biggest barrier, manpower. Today, one person can launch products globally, automate operations, and compete with corporations. The age of the solo founder powered by AI has officially begun, and thousands of people are now trying to copy this model, not by working harder, but by working alongside intelligence that never sleeps. The lesson isn't that AI replaces humans, the lesson is that AI amplifies the humans who learn to use it. The future might not belong to big teams, it might belong to individuals bold enough to build differently. One laptop, one idea, one person, a $10 million company, and maybe the next story like this could be yours. If you want more real stories about AI, business, and the future of entrepreneurship, subscribe, because the next generation of companies won't look anything like the last one.